परिच्छेद से श्रवण करें। संकीर्तन महाप्रभु अपने मुखारविंद से संबंध अविद्या प्रयोजन तत्व के बारे में बतला रहे हैं। संबंध के बाद अविद्या अभी आप के बारे में महाप्रभु बता रहे हैं। जिनके हृदय में एक उत्पन्न होता है, उनकी वाक्य क्रिया मुद्रा बड़े बड़े विद्वान लोग ही
Shri Guru Ram Vijay. So we were hearing about the 23rd, the Avinch 23rd, and Mahaprabhu is teaching to Sanatana Goswami Pad, and here he is saying about, we have already learnt about Sambandh Avidya. Now we are talking about Prayojan, Prem. So what happened when sadhak develops love in their heart? So when he develops love in their heart, so he always, what happens? Gurudev is telling about the symptoms. He rolling on the grounds, and sometimes he weeping, sometimes he is laughing. So it's all kinds of happens with them. Shriman Prabhu is saying to Sanatan, listen to the prem, the love, gradually when it increases, so Sneha Man Prem Mahabhav, when it reached till Mahabhav, just like Gannas, the seeds of sugar cane, we get the sugar cane, and then from sugar cane to sugar cane juice, and then by the sugar cane juice we get good jaggery, and then sugar, and then Sita Mishri, and then Shuddha Mishri. So this all kinds of stages of love. In this way, so when love becomes condensed and the purity, so in the same variation Madhurya and Saundarya manifested. So according to the Adhikar, there are 5 kinds of Rati: Shant, Dasa, Sakhya, Vatsalya or Madhurya. Hindi broadcast is also available, you can check there. So Mahaprabhu in this way,
घनत्व जितने ही होते उतना ही कई माधुर्य.
so he is saying that when the love become condensed, so in the same variation there is too much love is get so much tastier. Just like when you boil the milk, when it become condensed, so gradually it becomes so tasty. In this way, when love become condensed, so it becomes so tastier. So how love when become condensed, so how it can, by the love we can control Bhagwan. There are 7 kinds of 7 gondras, secondary ras. So Mahaprabhu himself is saying, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada is describing here that how we can relish the ras. So there is a beautiful vichar has been described by our Acharya, previous Acharya Path. First, there is a stable, sthai bhav. What is sthai bhav? Viruddha, avruddha, kranibhut. So when control, just like what is sthai bhav? Just like a king. So by their power and the qualities, so who are not in the shelter or who are not in the shelter, he control them in the same way. So he has so much love and affection towards who is in the shelter of him. He control them, and who is not under the shelters over there, by using the Sam Dam Dand Bhed, he collect them and assemble them. So this is a king done by this ruling nature. So by the sweets, so always by the nature, sweets words and punishments, they control the rules, the subjects. So if you want to control someone, what you have to do? You have to say sweet words to him. So if it is not possible, if it is not, he is controlled by them, then you have to give money. Sam dam means you will give some money to them. Sam dam means artha, the money. Yeah. Dam means earth, money. And if it is not controlled by them, then you have to punish them, chastised. And if it is not controlled by them, then bhed. What is the meaning of bhed? Okay, so the bhed means that British policy, divide and rule. Okay, divide and rule. So the bhed means the divide and rule policy, the British policy, bloody British policy. This is called the Sam Dam Dand Bhed. So that's why it is saying. So what I mean to say here, so Sthai Bhav means who is against or non-against. So collecting all of them. Who is favorable or non-favorable, and then constant or collect them. First is Sthai Bhav, who is favorable. And there are 7 secondary reasons. Gaun Bhav, Shantadas Sakali Basana Mata. There is only one Sthai Bhav you have. If somebody is, Vatsalya Bhav, so he will take Vatsalya Bhav. The Madhurya Bhav, he will take Madhurya, so he will left 4. Then Sat. So there are 7 Gaund Bhav. So what is Aviruddha? What is Aviruddha? Who is not favorable? Just like joking. So this is all against, not favorable. And Viruddha means, what is Viruddha? Anger, Krodha, and etc. By them they can envy control. So Viruddha or Aviruddha. So here it is writing in this way: the king, Viruddha, Aviruddha. Oh, Viruddha, Aviruddha. He always control everybody by his archer, the broad-hearted. So he always steal everybody's hearts and control them, and he establish himself as a great king. It is not changeable. Just like somebody gets Sai Bhav, it is not changeable. Just like, so there are Gaund rasas, secondary rasas. Some are Viruddha, some are Aviruddha. So they control all that rasas. There are 5 Gaur Premanand. Let me understand. The ingredients of his Thai Bhav, what I told you. So how many ingredients you need for getting rasa? So first we are describing about the Bhakti Rasamrasa. There are 49 of ingredients of rasas. First is Sthaiva, one is Sthaiva is there, and the 7 is Gaund Bhav, the secondary Bhav, Hasya, Anuruddha, Anunabhi, and then Ashtasattvic Bhav, 7 Ashtasattvic Bhav, Romancha, Kampashru, Vaivarana, Ashtasattvic Bhav, and the 33 is Sanchari and Vyavachari Bhav. Further we will describe that. So in this way it becomes 49. Have you counted? Ramanand, have you counted? First is Thai Bhav, 7, 7 Gaund Bhav, 8 Ashtasattvic Bhav, so और एक 17, and the 33 is Sanchari Bhav. 33, 48 और 8. कृष्णवती रस रूपे पाय परिमाणे परिणामे विभाव अनुभाव शक्ति व्यभिचारी स्थायी भाव रस यही चारी मिली फिर करें 4 प्रकार के सामग्री अभी बता दिया. There are 4 kinds of sattvic ingredients are there: Vibhav, Anubhav, Sattvic, Vyavachari. So Vyavachari is another name is Sanchari Bhav. These both are same. So gradually, so the 49 bhav I told you.
ingredients,
So the ingredients I told you about. So how they manifested the ras in the hearts of sadhak. So so the elaboration of they are briefly described in Bhakti Rasama Sindhu.
सामान्य रूप में बताया।
So Rupa Goswami.
सामान्य के रूप में हम आलोचना करेंगे।
So first we are describing it in generally form. Then we will go into the deeper in that. If you want to swim, if you want to know how to swim, if you want to know how to swim, so where you have to, so where you will start from swimming pool. Who doesn't know? So the people who are staying in the cities, so they fear from seeing the water. So if they go to the ocean, so they will not come back for learning swim. So where there's a neck, west water, then they learn a little bit how to move hands and legs. Then they will go to river. Then they will go to pond, pokhar, pond. And when they learn how to swim in the pond, then they will go to river, because there is no waves in the talab, in the pond. So gradually they will go to rivers. There is a little bit waves there. It's deeper. Then he learn pass from rivers. Then he will go to ocean. So then he will be able to learn how to swim, tairak. Then he will become a swimmer. Boating, surfing on the people used to do surfing on the ocean. So he will be become like that. So here he is describing generally in a form, generally form. Vibhav, Anubhav, Satvik, Rasa. So upon the sthai bhav, these four kinds of ingredients mix up, then it becomes bhav or rasa. Just like when we become a lassi of dahi, the yogurt, and after making that, we make some mishris and then we put a little bit black pepper and a little bit kapoor, camphor there. After that we make it very tastier. So in this way Mahaprabhu is saying here there are two kinds of bhivav. So when by the Krishna Rati that the heart with the chitta is attracted, so this is called bhivav. Wait. So we must have the rati towards Krishna's feet. Except Krishna, we cannot get this kind of bhav. It's only we can get this bhav when we have the rati towards Krishna only. So first is alamban and the second is uddipan. And then the tune of Bansi, the tunes of flute is called Uddipan. As our Goswami were doing Kirtan, so these all are Uddipan. They are helping us for Uddipan, just like this or the helper of Rasa.
चित्त में जो है अत्यंत जो है उद्वेलित करते हैं विचार को।
Udvedic. What is Udvedic? I don't know.
आनंद की लहरियां चलती हैं।
Uh,
इसके बाद कहें वंशी स्वरादि उद्दीपन कृष्णादि आलम्बन।
Vanshishwaradi Uddipan and the Krishnadi Alimban.
आलम्बन की दो प्रकार
There are two kinds of Alimban.
विषय और एक आश्रय।
First is Vishaya Alimban and the second Ashraya Alimban. Krishna is Vishaya Alimban.
और कृष्ण छोड़ करके
And except Krishna, all are Ashraya Alimban.
अनुभास्मित
Anubhav Smita.
अनुभास्मित लिप्त गीता दिव्यास संपादि शक्ति अनुभावीर भीतर। एक विभाग के बाद
Then after Bhivav,
महाप्रभु
Mahaprabhu is saying,
अनुभाव करते हैं।
what is Anubhav?
मंद मुस्कान
Beautiful smile.
नृत्य गीत आदि इसमें जो है उद्भासर
Nritya Geet is called Anubhashya.
उद्भासर कहते हैं
Udbhathar is saying,
जहाँ पर
where
भावयुक्त व्यक्ति के हृदय में ऐसे आप चित्र जो उद्वेलित करते हैं।
अरे Udvedic क्या होता है? Udvedic.
उसमें शरीर में जो मतलब भाव आदि प्रकाशित होते हैं उसकी कहा जाता है
When your heart is Udvegi, so what kinds of feelings you have in your heart? That is called Udbhashya. Hey God, hey Krishna, forgive me.
भूमि का संस्करण गात्रम मोटनम जिह्वा ज्ञानम सफुल्लवत् निसादश्च मदा। भावयुक्त व्यक्ति के हृदय में
So we have bhav in this heart. So whatever happening in the hearts, what the bhav is manifesting in the hearts. So the Pandit used to say that Udbhashya, just like Basan Vastra. Are Basan. Sometimes the hairs are open sometimes when they taken yawning. Sometimes they took yawnings. Yawning. And our nose is also nose creates the beauty of the face. Nose. You know, if you doesn't, the nose is so beautiful, so the face will be so pretty. It is totally depends on the nasika, the nose. So that's why the why the instruction of Ramchandra, Lakshman cut the nose and ears of Supankha. By the instruction of Lord Ramchandra, Lakshman cut the nose and ears of Supankha. Supankha, you don't know Supankha? Supankha. And it is saying in this society that somebody does very bad work, so they said, oh, you have cut our nose and ear, naak kaan katwana. So the beautifulness in the ladies by the nose. So the beauty increases by the nose of the ladies. If somebody's nose is not so beautiful, so that lady is not beautiful. Just like somebody's nose like is this, so she is not beautiful. Like this. In the Radha Krishna Malla Yuddha, Gurudev used to tell Radhaji, Krishna was fall down by Radhaji on the ground and Krishna defeated. And when Krishna defeated, he said, I have win. So all the Sakyas, I have, how you can win? Whose nose was up and whose nose was down? So Radhaji's nose was downside and my nose was upside. So that's why I won. So that's why people say always raise up your nose. So my meaning is to say here, so the Bhashya means the speciality of this Bhashya here, the Tikakar is describing here, nothing, the beauty of the nose. So if we had developed somebody's developed love for somebody,
क्या होता है?
so
प्रसन्न
so
होता है। मुखम प्रसन्नम भगवत जो वाणी कथानुरागो है, मुखम प्रसन्न
Mukham Prasannam,
जिनके प्रति हमारा प्रेम रहता
we have
है,
developed, we have love for someone, so seeing them our heart get pleased.
प्रसन्न चित्त होता है।
Our heart gets so much
चित्त
pleased.
प्रसन्न होने के बाद
So after getting the heart, when our heart is pleased, so it's always, you know, it's come to our face.
दर्पण जैसे करते
The face is our, this is called the mirror. Whatever in your hearts, it expresses by the faces.
मुखम प्रसन्न
That's why
भगवत जो वाणी
Mukham Prasannam Gadagada
पढ़ने
Chavani.
बोलने के लिए
So they have,
कंठ कैसे होता है? गदगद
their hearts are very sweet. Gadagada word. In Kathanurag, they must have so much taste in the Katha.
इतने अनुराग
They must have.
भक्तों के बारे में कहने की
So hearing them or listening them, so they must have so much affection towards that hearing about them. Are you getting? Whom we have love,
जिस प्रकार नवविवाहिता
just like a newly bride,
पति के साथ जब पति जब
when husband meet first time,
और वो बातचीत करने के समय
so at the time of meeting,
पत्नी जो है
the newly bride,
सरच वो करके
she became so shy,
अत्यंत क्षीण स्वर से
so very low sound she's reply.
किंतु उस समय
But
ठीक से सुनाई नहीं पड़ता है।
the,
किंतु पति देखो
the husband was not able to understand properly that time, hearing properly. But
जिसके कान में जो है
so what happens at that time? The husband, the bridegroom, put their ears so much open for listening the words of that newly bride, that she's saying very slowly. Still he okay, yes. So our Goswami Pad is described in one shloka is there like Mukham Prasannam Gadagada Javani. So they must have so much affection towards the Katha. Or what is the symptoms of Anurag? In the Janir Varigata Shila Rupa Goswami Pad, he was describing or he was giving the definition of Anuraga.
एक दूसरे के साथ इतने गाढ़ स्नेह के द्वारा बंध जाते हैं।
So having so much affection and tying each other.
के रूप में अपने प्राण कीर्तन की जो है रसम ये समझ पाओ।
So they are tying so much of affection and love, and they see each other very nicely that time.
तो यहीं पर करें कि
So here it is saying.
एक जो मैंने कहा नासिका प्रफुल्लता।
So I will say Udbhashya means the nose increases the beauty of the face. Smritahasya, so much pleasure in the heart.
गीत आदि के द्वारा अत्यंत सुंदर छंदबद्ध आदि के श्लोक आदि के द्वारा
So there was so much beautiful shlokas. They used to do kirtan. So they are kirtani, hearing katha. So whom they love. Okay. No, I tell you. I'm not going deeper in this. Just like our Krishnadas Goswami and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as they are saying, so, swimming pool mein. So we are here learning how to swim that on the swimming pool, where too much water is there. So so that's why I'm not going to deeper. Then we will go to pond because there is little bit more water. Shoulder is deeper than the pond is deeper than the pond swimming pool. Swimming pool. so we are not going to the deeper. So if we draw down, so we can somebody seen us in this way. So Mahaprabhu is saying, so I am telling you the same. I am not going to the deeper, because gradually, if we walk on gradually, so it is good. Just like a child, when he goes step by step, very gradually. In this way we are going gradually. So that's why Mahaprabhu is saying here. So gradually I am telling you, describing here. Look. So I told you about the Panchavidya Ras, Mukhya, Shantata, Sakhya, Vatsalya or Madhurya. This Madhurya is also known as Shringaras. In the Shringaras, so in the Shringaras, Madhurya is glorified so much. As I told you earlier, just like all the qualities of the sky is mixed in the earth. So the earth has its one ras is Gandha, and all the four ras of the others rases. So in this way, this Madhurya is mixed up with all the rases. Just like Shant ras, Shant, Dasya, Vatsalya, Sakhya is already mixed up in Madhurya. Shant ras can reach to Prema, and Das ras can reach. We have heard one day, in the Shanti there is a quality which is called rich Nishtha, and the Dasya there is Nishtha and Seva, Dasava, and the Sakhya Nishtha, Seva, Mamta Yuk. The Seva means service, means serving mode is with affection, and that Mamta, this affection, is with the relationship. So according to the relationship, we get the affections. How we can have this serving mode with the affection, Mamta. Everybody is doing service here, but the people are working in the office. They are working there and they are serving. Some are maid servants are coming and they are washing dishes and utensils at the home, but getting wages, but they don't have relationship. So they have the contact that what work they will do. They will clean the utensil in the morning. They will clean the utensil in the night. There another will become. In the foreign country, I have seen it is written on the stamp that maid servant will work in 8 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, and who will work there? It's not that everybody can do any work. So if you say that you please polish my shoe, so it's not polish. You can wash my car. No, it's not possible. So whatever mentioned in the list, only they can do that. So they have already contract that what kind of work they can do. So for washing cars, there is another servant. When we go to New York, our doctor staff, they have different kinds of knocker, 5 to 6 knocker servant they have. They were working differently. So everybody have different work. And the month wise, week wise, they come. Some are washing the utensils, some are sweeping, some are washing the cars. So nobody, one person cannot do everything. So according to time, different kinds of duties distributed to different servants. And there are also time fixed from 11 to 1 p.m., from 1 to 2 p.m. So everything is fixed and contract based. So in this way, I mean to say, everybody is serving, but they don't have affection, or just like doing duty, they don't have affection. So it is not called actually, in fact, the seva, the service. This is called a formality. They are working, they for working 1 hour I get the $25. So if we work 2 hours, then I will get $50. So they have these kinds of amount. They have these kinds of mentality. So what is Ras Madhuri? We are serving mode with the relationship. So first they have the relationship and then affection, the affection too. So there is a Shanta Nishtha and the Sakya Bhav. There are Nishtha, Seva and service, and the Sakya Vishramba Bhav Seva. You are getting? And the Vasale, there is another quality, that is Vasale Bhav, Vasalikat Bhav. How parents are treating their child and daughters and sons. So this is called the Vasale Bhav, Shantanishta, Dasya Seva, and Sakya's Vishramba Bhav and Vasale Bhav. And the Madhurya is prominent. Shantanishta, Dasya service, Sakya Vishramba, Sakya Bhav, Vatsalya Bhav, and the Madhurya Bhav. Yes, the Madhurya, they have loved and beloved Bhav also. And there are two kinds of Madhurya Bhav, Swakya and Parkya. So Parkya is the topmost here is showing. So further they will tell us. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying here, Shantarasrati goes to Prema, and Dasarati goes to, and the Sakya is, there's a limitation of Anurag. And in especially Subal and many sakhas, this is called the Priya Narma Sakha, Rag, Anurag, Bhav. Sometimes Subal, it seems in Subal symptoms, there are symptoms of Mahabhav in Subal Shridham. In this way, there are many kinds of kathas are describing. So the further katha I am describing, Mahaprabhu is saying here. So time is over now. I have left 2 minutes. So the further katha is Mahaprabhu gradually describing that how is Sneha. After Prem there is Sneha, Man, Bhav, Mahabhav, and after Mahabhav there are Ruda, Adhyuruda. All the definitions and the examples it is described in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and the Ujjal Nilmani Granth. Everything is described there. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, in generally it is mentioned there, described here. So we are swimming pool. We are swimming here in the swimming pool because we are not going so much deeper. So that's why we are not going to deeper. Mahaprabhu gradually is describing here that the Mahabhav, Vipralam and the Milan, the separation and the meeting. Why the Vipralam, why the separation? So Swadhisht, why the separation, meeting is glorified. There is so much taste and without separation of meeting. So that's why what Yogmaya do, first they meeting and then separation, and then after Virah, after separation, the meeting also. We call transcendental world in the Rav Rajya, Prem Rajya, and there are. So this is going on in the transcendental world, the meeting, separation, meeting. So that's why Mahaprabhu is describing it. The look, there are 4 kinds of Viprava, Purvarag, Man, Purvarag, Man, Pravas, Prem, Premavach. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, these all 4 very nicely described. In the Venugeet, in why the Venugeet says, Tibra Unkanta in Gopi's heart. So everything is described very nicely there. So there are 4 kinds of Milan and Sambhog: Sanchipta, Sankirna, Sampurna and Samriddhamaya. So this meeting, how much they are feeling separation, so in the same variation meeting is increases. So after man they are meeting, so that is called Milan and Sambhog, the meeting and Sambhog. And after Pravas, Samriddhaman Milan. So Mahaprabhu all very nicely described here, because gradually sadhak, when they digest this katha, when they understand this katha, but why we are reading, what we are studying here now: A, B, C, D. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for donkey, dog. In the same way, Mahaprabhu, in a general form, he is describing us. What kinds of Leela in the transcendental world? In this material world, it is really hard to develop love. It's very hard to develop the love. They cannot even, sadhak cannot bear the love. When the bhav comes in the heart of sadhak, after rati, when the bhav comes in the heart of sadhak, so he became so much unmakt, like intoxicated. Okay, so when you got the Nitya Parikar's body under the guidance, so it is not easy for the sadhak. They cannot bear the love, and sadhak left this body, and then by the mercy of Yogmaya, where the Prakat Leela is going on of Bhagwan, so they participate in the Prakat Leela. So they got the Gopi Deh, and they got the birth by the bomb of Gopi. So they got the transcendental body, and under the guidance of Nitya Parikars, they are serving there, and they are entering in the Neela of Bhagwan. So by the association of Nitya Singha, then they have love and affection towards them. They get loves and anurag, and after getting the anurag, then they get the Yogmaya arranges all the meetings with Krishna. So I told you about the Ras Leela. In the Ras Leela Krishna, the Radha Nitya Gopiyas. So there is no restrictions of the Nitya Satya Gopis like Radha and other manifestation of her. So there is no restriction for us. They can go easily to Krishna in the Ras Leela. But the Sadhan Siddha, there are 2 kinds of. So who has get the association of Nitya Siddha and who have developed the anurag towards Krishna. So Yogmaya arrange everything for them. There is no foundation restriction for them. So Yogmaya arranged everything for her. So our Rishina Chakripad described there. So what Yogmaya do? Yogmaya manifested their forms to at the home. So they were thinking that our wife is at our home, so she is sitting, she is doing all the work, but actually she is not, because the original Gopi has gone for Ras Leela, because there is a form of that copy of that gopi is staying at the home. And maybe and second reason is maybe there that they have this kinds of feelings that our wife is going someone else, maybe someone else for getting for some work is going somewhere, so she will be come back, will be come back very shortly. So that's why the Yogmaya arranges everything for them, so spontaneously they can meet with the Govinda. So the third one, and who doesn't develop the love and affection towards Krishna, and they haven't get the association of Nitya Siddha Parikar. So that's why Yoga has restricted them, stopped them, which is called Rasaya. Because if it is not removed, especially which is not we can get the, if we want to get the entry, gopis want to entry in the ras, so they must have the love and affection towards Krishna and the Siddha Gopis association. These both things is required. Until you are not getting the association of Nitya Siddha Gopis, that's why in the Srimad Bhagavatam saying, Srila Gurudev Goswami Pad is saying there, in the Nitya Golok Dham Bhagwan, whatever Leela they are doing, so why they manifested this all the Leela in this word? So why? What is the reason? Because there is only one reason. Because many sadhak who are performing Bhajana sadhana for thousands years or birth. So what Bhagwan did? So they make the chance and arrangement by the Yogmaya, so that all the sadhak can get the association of Nitya Siddha Parikar and can develop the love towards in the feet of Bhagwan, towards Bhagwan. So that's why we say so what is the reason for carrying Nitya Parikar of Bhagwan in this world? There are many reasons, but this is the prominent reason, because after getting the association of Nitya Siddha Parikar, so if somebody hear this katha with very firm faith, with very shraddha, and after hearing this katha, if one remembers, so then he will get greed. So hearing katha, after hearing and remembering the katha, so after hearing and remembering this katha, sadhak get greed in the heart. If you are not hearing katha properly, so how you can get greed in your heart? So that's why prakat or aprakat leelas, what Bhagwan do, they always come descend in this world with this in this world. They send their Nitya Parikar to in this world. So their Nitya Parikar always preach their Nitya Leela in this world, just like Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Who is Bhakti Vinod Thakur? She is the Dasi, Kamal Manjari. She is the Kamal Manjari of Radha Ji. That's why she came in this world and manifest and preached all over the world the Nitya Leelas. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, 9 Mani Manjari, they are very, very near to Radhikari. They are very, very near to Radha Rani. Even Vishwanath Chakravarti. And Vishwanath Chakravarti is the form of Rupa Manjari, is a copy of Rupa Manjari. So by these, all the Nitya Parikar Bhagwan sent in this world, so that they can attract to the words, they can attract all the jivas, so that they can come into the transcendental world. After hearing the glories and the katha of Bhagwan, Nam Rup Gunagala, they preached all over the world, as our Bhakti Vinod Thakur did. How many granth they have wrote? Especially they have wrote written. So there are many kinds of highest level katha described by the Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Narottam Das Thakur. Narottam Das Thakur is the embodiment of love. Narottam Das Thakur, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, according to the time they all are coming, that's in this word. So they are preaching the word and getting us associated with the Bhagwan's Katha. So that's why he is saying, so until we will not get the association with the Nitya Siddha Parikar and we are not hearing the Katha of them, so we won't get greed in our heart. So we should hear that. So some people use adhikari and adhikari. Adhikar and adhikar vichar is okay, it's good, but we should always hear. It is very necessary to hear. The listen Hari Katha. We should always follow, but not we shouldn't copy. There is another shloka. Just like the Shiva take the poison, so you shouldn't copy that we will take the poison. Do not copy the Krishna did the ras, that we will do the ras. No, this is wrong. We shouldn't copy. That's why in the Srimad Bhagavatam is specially described 2 shlokas. This is shlokas described in the Srimad Bhagavatam. So by the mercy of Anugrah, by the mercy of the Bhagwan just manifested all these leelas in this world, and so we should hear these all leelas by the Guru very with all the Shraddha. So after that we will get greed in our heart. So that's why I am describing here. Okay, Vancha Kalpataru. Jai Srila Gurudev ki Jai. Thank you for tolerating me. Hare Krishna. Narsingh Maharaj, please come and speak few words. Hare Krishna.